Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MoneyGram. We hope you are doing great. A comprehensive examinations of the proposed $2,200 flat Social Security benefits. The proposal concept is a flatting Social Security benefit seeks to address the growing income disparity among beneficiaries by the gradually evaluating benefits among the over the 20 years. Currently, lower income beneficiaries having depend on the social security checks on the 90% and the more the monthly income. The higher income individual view this benefit as a supplementary income alongside other sources. The proposal aim to the reflecting this imbalance by the making unsettlement changes whether he suggested eliminating cost of the living adjustment COLA for the higher income beneficiaries for the reducing their benefit by the 1% to 2% annually. Conversely, low income beneficiaries would be receive COLA adjustment plus and the additional 1% or the 2% boost over the time. These approaches would be a narrow and income gap. The analogy used by the explain the concept of the driving analogy, just as the faster car generally catches up to the slower one and the highway, lower income beneficiaries would be gain ground on the higher income beneficiaries. The analogy and the sources to the proposal granted natural minimum immediate the impact of the higher income recipients. However, implementing this proposal raises several considerations in the questions of the long-term impact. Equally, the public acceptance and the administrative complications such as changes. While it aims to promote the fairness and the equality among the beneficiaries, its success depends on the public protections and the acceptance, especially among higher income individuals who may rise reductions of the benefits. Furthermore, for the role of the COLA adjustment, the higher income beneficiary raises a concern about the addressing inflections and the future financial changes. The administration burden to the accurately calculating the implementations these adjustments over the 2 decades. It also the significant considerations. In conclusion, the proposal is reflecting social security benefits offer and the innovative approaches for the addressing income inequality among beneficiaries. While it seeks to provide the greatest support for those who are really most of the social security is present changes in the uncertain regularity or the long-term impact, public acceptance and the administration feasibility. As the Congress grapple with the future and the social security is a crucial and the carefully weigh the potential benefits and the drawback of the such as proposed and ensure the program's long-term stability and its ability to provide a safely net for all the retired regulars and their income level. Thank you for the watching entire video. Hope this information is helpful for you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.